Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on how to create a announcement ticker, one of those scrolling tickers in the Dawn theme. So Dawn theme does not have the scrolling ticker by default. So we'll quickly have a look as to how to create it. So without further ado, let's start. So this is the website that you can have a look. It's called Pets Matter. And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to create this scrolling ticker. It kind of looks nice. And yeah, it's like a modern thing that everybody's doing. So it's a very, very simple code which I figured out. So we're going to put that code and then it should just happen. Okay. So this is the sample Dawn theme. This is a brand new theme. So we're going to install the announcement bar or the announcement ticker in here. Okay. This is the default one. As you can see, if I click it, that's it. That's all it has. So it's got change and it's got a color scheme and separated line, and that's pretty much it. But we're gonna make it a scrolling ticker, and you will have the ability to actually do a few customization as well. Okay, so what we need to do is we are gonna go to the Dawn theme. So this is your Dawn theme. Click these three dots, click on edit code. And once you go to edit code, we're just going to scroll down here, click on sections, and then you will see the announcement bar liquid. Okay. So just click that. And this is your uh, default code, which you can see is already there. We are going to actually change this code. Okay, so I have the code ready. I'm going to give you the link in the description so you can just copy that code into your Dawn theme. So this is where is it? Okay, this is where it is. So this is the ready-made code which you got to paste. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to come back to here, copy this all. So we're going to just remove this old code and then paste the new code and save. Okay, so now that it is saved, we go back to our theme and you can see it's already happened. Now this is the announcement bar. So you click that and now you can see this is the default text. So of course you can change it. Welcome to our new store, enjoy our new collection, or we can just write free shipping worldwide. Worldwide. You can change the color. So whatever color you want, you can change the color. There you go. You can change the text color as well. You can change the font size of the pixel, so you can make it bigger. So as you can see, the font has become bigger. You can change the scrolling speed. So if you make it maximum, you can see now it's really, really slow. And then you can also change the height. So you can make it longer or bigger or whatever you like. And that's it. So it's a nice little thing to have. Gives your website a little bit of a modern feel. So the code is in the description, so just click the link and then you will be able to see the code. Put the code in your Dawn theme and enjoy scrolling announcement ticker. That's it, guys. Please do consider subscribing, liking. We are kind of like a new channel, so it just helps out. So anyways, thank you very much and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.